Today, we got the opportunity to work on a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 4.0 straight six in it. Vehicle left the customer stranded, leaving a parking lot. Felt like a fuel pump to me from what was going on and what he told me. After sitting for a little bit, luckily he was broke down at a hardware store, and he went ahead and bought some ether and just to check if it'd crank off. And after sitting a little bit, he went and sprayed some ether in it, and it did fire up, and he was able to drive it to my shop. With that, I went ahead and put the fuel pressure gauge on it. It was reading 55 and wasn't leaking down, which was awesome. Good to see that wasn't happening. Put the scanner on it and had a code for the camshaft position sensor not reading to the PCM. After a little bit of diagnostics, I just went ahead and went to the parts store and got him a new camshaft position sensor. So right here is a camshaft position sensor, really easy to get to. Honestly, everything on this engine is fairly simple. I really like it. I might have to pick me one up. With that, went ahead and took it for a test drive to make sure everything was good. Didn't have the problem anymore. Was watching the counts on the scanner, and everything seemed good. Asked the customer if he wanted to change the valve cover gasket because it has been leaking over the years. And while I was off, pressure washed it, made sure everything was good on it. And that would be all I had to do for this job. Went ahead and got the customer's windshield cleaned, got his tires filled up, got the headlights cleaned up, so he is ready to rock and roll. Found this information useful, you liked it, leave me a like, maybe a comment. Let's go.